Hey guys, welcome back to Completely Irrelevant. Today we're talking about exploring alternatives when building things. This is a raised garden bed that I made using some firewood that I had laying around and didn't need. Well, why would I build a garden bed out of firewood? Well, every project you do doesn't need to be perfect. The price of lumber right now is pretty expensive, and I built this for like 50 cents in screws. So it's important to remember everything doesn't have to be plumb. It doesn't have to be level, especially a garden bed. It just has to hold dirt, just dirt and plants. You could build a raised garden bed out of anything you have laying around. Rocks, firewood, logs, straw bales. So use your noodle and come up with something that suits your needs. Just another pro tip here from Completely Irrelevant.